Where is he gonna go fly over us?
Well, we'll keep walking this way, but you can walk while you're doing it.
Just tell me when you want to come. Ow. What? Wow.